In this video, I'm going to show how to replace the toilet tank flapper. First, take off the tank lid and set it somewhere safe. Turn off the water supply to the toilet tank by closing the shut-off valve. Flush the toilet to drain most of the water from the tank. Remove the old flapper from the overflow tube. Unclip the chain from the flush lever. Now the old clapper can be taken out of the toilet tank. If there are some rubber debris on the flush valve seat, wipe them off. Unpack the new flapper. Adjust the position of the clip on the chain based on the old flapper's setup. The chain length between the clip and the flapper is critical for the proper operation of the flapper. If this length is too short, it will hold the flapper open slightly, causing leaks. If this length is too long, it will not lift the flapper enough when you flush, causing a weak or incomplete flush. What we need is a little slack of the chain when the flapper is down. The flapper should sit completely flat and seal properly when not flushing. Attach the new flapper to the overflow tube. Hook the chain to the flush lever. Check if the flapper can be opened and closed properly. Turn the water supply back on and let the tank fill up. There is no leak. So the new flapper seals very well. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your project.